Welcome students to the new video. Today we will learn set operations. First one, union of sets. The union of two sets A and B consists of all the elements which belong to either to the set A or to set B or to both set. It is denoted by A union B and is read as A union B. This is A union B. Okay. So one example we will see, if A is equal to set 5, 6, 7, B is equal to 6, 8, then A union B is equal to, not B, A union B is equal to, how to write? All the elements of A and all the elements of B we have to write. No need to repeat any element, that one element only, one time only we have to write. So 5, 6, 7. Then 6 repetition, no need to write it again, then 8. Okay, so like this we can find out A union B. Next operation, intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is a set of elements which are common to both A and B. Common elements only we will write in intersection. It is denoted by A intersection B. Like this we can write that one, and it is read as A intersection B. So A is equal to set 5, 6, 7, B is equal to 6, 8. A intersection B is equal to, which are the common elements in these two sets? One element only common. So A intersection B is 6. Okay. Now how to find out the difference of two sets? Okay. If A and B are two given sets, then the difference A minus B is a set of those elements which belong to set A but not to set B. That is a definition. That is, A minus B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. So A is equal to set B, C, D, E. B is equal to A, B, C. So which all elements will come in A minus B? A minus B is equal to set of elements of A which is not in B. Okay. So A which all will come? D and E is not there, isn't it? So this D and E will come in A minus B. Then B minus A, which all will come? B minus A means the set of elements of B which is not in A, isn't it? Which one will come? A will come. Okay. Hope it is clear. Using these three operations, we will move to the next exercise, exercise 6D. So all of you take that, page number 72 of your textbook, and read question number 1. Given A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n and 3 less than x less than or equal to 6, and B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to W and x less than 4. Find, first one, set A and B in roster form. Second, A union B. Then A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. Okay. So set A in roster form, which all elements will come? Okay. Set of all x such that x belongs to n, 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. So this 6 is included but 3 is not included. Not only that, the numbers should be a natural number. So which all will come? 4, 5 and 6. Then set B, set of all x such that x belongs to W and x less than 4. X belongs to W means x is a whole number. Which all elements will come? B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now A union B. These all the elements in A and B we have to write. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. Then A intersection B. Is there any common element in A and B? No. So that is a null set. Then A minus B. A minus B means set of all elements of A which is not in B. Okay. So which all will come? A minus B is equal to 4, 5, 6. B minus A means set of all elements of B which is not in A. So 0, 1, 2, 3 will come. Now the second question. If P is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to W and 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8, and Q is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n and x less than 6, find P union Q, P intersection Q. Second question, is P union Q is greater than P intersection Q? Okay. Now the second question, P while writing in roster form we will get this set 4 5 6 7 8. Q we will get 1 2 3 4 5. P union Q means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 will come. Intersection Q, two elements in common, so 4 and 5 will come. Now all the elements, first question what they ask, second question, is P union Q is greater than P intersection Q? Yes, true. All the elements of set P union Q are contained in the set P intersection Q. Therefore, P union Q is a proper subset of P intersection Q. Next, third question, if A is equal to 5 6 7 8 9, B is equal to set of all x such that x 3 less than x less than 8 and x belongs to W, and C is equal to set of all x such that x less than or equal to 5 and x belongs to N, find first one A union B and A union B union C. So A is a set given here 5 6 7 8 9, and B is a set in rule method that we have to express in roster form. When we express that in roster form, we will get that as 4 5 6 7, and set C also we have to express in roster form, so we will get that as 1 2 3 4 5. Now first question they ask A union B. A union B, the elements of A and B together, so 4 5 6 7 8 9 will get. Then A union B union C means all the elements of these three sets, list out all. Okay, then second question they ask us to find out B union C. B union C. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 will come. Then A union B union C, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 will come. Okay, so then next third question, A intersection B. We got common elements of A and B, so we got that as 5 6 7, and A intersection B intersection C. So from these elements, this element and 5 is common here, so only 5 will come. Then next B intersection C. B intersection C, which are common to B and C, just check. So 4 5. A intersection B intersection C. B intersection C means 4 5, and A also you have to consider, which is common for A and B intersection C. Only the element 5 is common, so in this only 5 will come. Next question number 5. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. That we have to check. So first we have to write the elements of both these A union B union C. We will get like this, and A union B intersection C also we will get like this. Okay, then what about the elements of the two? Both are same, isn't it? So what's our conclusion? That these two sets are equal. Then next they ask A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So this one, if you find out, you will get that as set 5, and this one also set 5. That means they are equal. Now the fourth question from the exercise, given A is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5, B is equal to 0 2 4 6 8, and C is equal to 0 3 6 9. Show that A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. That is a union of the sets is associative. Second one, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. That is, intersection of sets is associative. Okay, now that question, fourth one, given A is given like this, B is given like this, C is given like this. B union C means the elements of B and C. Okay, so we will get 0 2 3 4 6 8 9. Then therefore A union B union C, how you can write all the elements of this one. Okay, so you will get 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. Okay, let it be equation 1. Then A union B you will get like this. Then A union B union C you will get like this. Okay, A union B union C, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. So from equation 1 and 2 just compare, you will get A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Okay, then second one, B intersection C you have to find out. B intersection C you will get that as 0 6. A intersection B intersection C So intersection of these two sets, which all elements is common in these two? Only 0, isn't it? So you will get that as 0. Okay, let it be equation 1. Then A intersection B, you will get that as 0, 2, 4. Then A intersection B intersection C is equal to intersection of these two sets only 0. So from 1 and 2, what we get? A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay, now fifth question from the exercise. All of you read the question. If A is equal to set of all x belongs to W, 5 less than x less than 10, B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and C is equal to x is equal to 2n, n belongs to n, then n less than or equal to 4, find all this one. Okay, so here first we have to express the given set in which form? Roster form, isn't it? So A is given as like this, so which all elements will come? 6, 7, 8, 9. Then B, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and C we have to find out. Condition is x is equal to 2n. This small n can take the values from n and n less than or equal to 4. So n we can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Find out to 2n. So x is equal to 2 will get 4, 6 and 8. So the set C you will get as 2, 4, 6, 8. So B union C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then A intersection B union C is equal to A set A intersection B union C. Which are the common elements in that? 6, 7, 8 only. So A intersection B union C you will get that as 6, 7, 8. Now the second question from that, B union A. B union A. So you will get sets 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then B union A intersection B union C. Find it out. B union A we got like this, and B union C this one. So which are the common elements of that one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, A intersection C is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 intersection 2, 4, 6, 8. So only 6 and 8 common. So A intersection C is set to 6, 8. So B union A intersection C is equal to B means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 union A intersection C we got a 6, 8. Okay. Then which all elements will come? B union A intersection C. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will come. Okay. Now next fourth one, A intersection B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 intersection 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which all the common elements? 6, 7 only the common elements. Okay. So in A intersection B only 6 and 7 will come. A intersection B union A intersection C. So 6, 7 union 6, 8 will come. So which all elements? 6, 7, 8. Now read the sixth question. If P is equal to factors of 36 and Q is equal to factors of 48, find P union Q. So factors of 36 all of you know. Which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. If you don't know, multiply and find out the factors of 36 first. Okay. 1 into 36 is equal to 36. 2 into 18 is equal to 36, like that. To find out all the factors, then only write this set. Then Q means factors of 48. So which all will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So P union Q means all the elements of these two set. You will get that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36 and 48. Okay. Then P intersection Q. Common elements of these two set. Which all are the common elements of that two set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And here Q minus P. How we can find the difference of two sets? The set of elements of Q which is not in P. Which all elements like that you will get here? 8, 16, 24 and 48. Then P dash intersection Q. Here universal set is not given, but intersection Q. P dash intersection Q means what? Which all elements are only in Q? That only we need to write, isn't it? So only Q we have to write, that is Q minus P. So Q and P we substituted. So we will get the elements as 8, 16, 24 and 48. Now all of you read that seventh question. If A is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, B is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10 and C is equal to set of all x's such that x belongs to n, 2 less than x less than or equal to 7, find A minus B and B minus C. Some more questions are there here, that also we will do. So first what we have to do? this set C we have to express in roster form. So A is a set given, B is a set, C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So A minus B is equal to A minus B. Which all elements will come? 7 and 9. B minus C means 8, 10 will come. Okay. Then A minus C is equal to 8, 9. So B minus A minus C means 4, 6, 10 will come. Then this ask B union C. All the elements of B and C. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10 will come. A minus B union C means only 9 will come. Okay. Now A intersection C is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 intersection 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which are the common elements? 6 and 7 only. Okay. Now next B minus A intersection C. B minus A intersection C 6, 7. So which all will come? The elements of this set which is not here. So which all will come? 4, 8, 10. B minus B. All will, no element will be there now. So empty set will come. Now 8th question. If A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, verify A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So 8th question, 3 sets are given here. Then B union C you can find out. So you will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. A minus B union C you will get A minus B union C. So set of elements of A which is not in B only 1. Okay. Then A minus B you will get as set of elements of A which is not in B means 1, 3, 5 only. Then A minus C means set of all elements of A which is not in C. So 1, 2 only. So A minus B intersection A minus C, which all are the common elements of these two? 1 only will come. So this also we got 1, here also 1. That means A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. Now the second part, B intersection C you have to find out. You will get that as 4, 6. A minus B intersection C is equal to the set of elements of A which is not in B intersection C, which all will come 1, 2, 3, 5. A minus B, set of elements of A which is not in B. So 1, 3, 5 you will get. A minus C means set of elements of A which is not in C, which all will come 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2 will come. Then A minus B union A minus C is equal to union of that two, A minus B and A minus C. You will get 1, 2, 3, 5. That means these two are equal. Ninth question, given A is equal to set of all x belongs to n x less than 6, B is equal to 3, 6, 9 and C is equal to set of all x belongs to n such that 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 8. Show that. Okay. So A is a set of all x belongs to n x less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. B is equal to 3, 6, 9. C is equal to, like this condition should satisfy 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 8. So this inequality you have to solve. So for that, first we needed the value of x now. So first you can add 5 on both sides. So this 5 will cancel and go. So 2x less than or equal to 8 plus 5 will come. Okay, then that is 2x less than or equal to 13. Now this 2 we have to cancel, isn't it? How to cancel this one? Divide both sides by this 2. So x less than or equal to 13 by 2 will come. That means x less than or equal to 6.5. Which all values will come? Then x belongs to n only. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.5 is not a natural number, so not needed to include that. Up to 6 only need to write. Now B intersection C. B 3, 6, 9 and C is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which all are the intersecting elements? 3 and 6. Only common elements. So B intersection C is equal to 3 and 6. A union B intersection C. A means this set B intersection 3, 6. So union of that two 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. A union B means set A and set B. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So A union C you will get as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A union B intersection A union C is equal to, how you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. So which all elements are common? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you got? A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Next we have to find out second part B union C first. So which all elements will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. A intersection B union C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will get A intersection C, you will get as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A intersection B is equal to, you will get that as 3 only the common element. So A intersection B union A intersection C is equal to 3 union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so both are equal. Hope it is clear. All of you do this exercise in your notes and submit in Google Classroom. Now our portions for the examination over already. Now I will send a revision timetable. As per that you have to revise and come for the next classes. This exercise today itself all of you have to submit. Thank you and have a great day.